Hello and welcome to Technical Skills YouTube channel. This is Shafaqat Ali with another video of Android development. This is chat app series. So in the previous video we have fetched the data of our profile. We have created a profile activity. As I click on the menu here, you can see here is our profile activity. So we have to fix few things, and also we have to create our single view layout for our find friends. So now first of all we will create the background of this button, and also we have to fix the height of this view. So first of all we will change the height of this view. We are going to change it into 180 dp. Okay, now I will create the background for this button. So go to dribble and right click on here, new dribble source file, and here I will say btn bg and click ok. Now here I will create the item. Inside item we will create the shape. Okay, now here we will define our properties. So first of all I will add solid and color will be accent. Okay, now I will add here corner. So I will select the radius into 6 dp. It's 8 dp, good. Okay, now I will add the background of this button. So go to button and select here background. Now here I will change btn bg, select this one, and here you can see our button shape is changed. Okay, now here you can see our shape is changed. Now it's looking nice. So now we will create our find friend single view layout. So when we click on this find friend, it will read all the user from the Firebase database. For this we need single view layout for find friend. So go to layout and here right click new and select the layout resource file. I will call it single view find friend. Okay, now go to text and now here I will design it. So first of all I will add here card view. So search here card view, that will be match parent. Now inside card view we will add another constraint layout, that will be match parent and just close it. Okay, now I will design our card view. So here I will search here corner radius, that will be 10 dp, and margin from all side, let's say I select 10 dp. Okay, now change the height into, let's say I select 120 dp. Okay, now go to design and add the constraint. So first of all I will select card view and add the constraint from all side. So go to our text and first of all we will add circle image view. So inside this constraint layout we will add circle image view. So that will be 70 dp width and 70 dp will be height. So let's say I add here source and that will be profile. Okay, now go to design and add the constraints. So let's say I select the add the constraint from top left and add the margin from top 8 dp, left from 8 dp. Okay, now we will add our text view for our username. So drag here text view and add the constraint from all side. From top, and also give the margin from top 18 dp and margin from left 16 dp and change it into match parent. Okay, now select the text size into 24 dp and change the text style into bold. Okay, now change the text color into color accent. Okay, now it's good. Now let's change the text. Let's say I type here username. Okay, now first give the id Here I will add profile image, and here I will change the text into username. Okay, now we will add our profession. So here we will add another text view. So add the constraint, and also from top. Okay, add a margin from top 8 dp and change it to match parent. Okay, now I will change over id, and here id is profession. Okay, good. So I will change the total height, I mean card view height, to 80 dp. Okay, now it's looking good. And add the bottom constraint also, like this. So in the next video we will read all the user from the Firebase database, and also we will skip over id, I mean we will not show over profile in that users. So if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Please like my video, share my video, and subscribe my channel. See you next video. Take care.